Welcome to the 8th part of WinStatic software. In this particular training, I'm going to design and analyze and documenting retaining wall. I hope you will be with me to the end of this training. Please feel free to ask any question under the YouTube command. As you look, my WinStatic software is open. Just I select my retaining wall application. The first I select my national annex. Click OK. I'll minimize my program. Next, I move to the input and select the title. In the title block, I write designer retaining wall. Just copy in description. A user is GST Global Structure Training. GST comment AC7 according Eurocode 7. The next, I just go to the material. Again, I select to XCC2 and concrete C35 as life class is 50 years and concrete will be 50A. Select OK. Again I move to reinforcement. The cover should be the wall cover 35, the rebar 16, 35, the top slab and the rebar should 16. Also the bottom should 50, so 16 diameter. Now we move to the geometry. If you look, we have a L-tip, we have a L-tip with hunch, we have a T-tip, and we have a T-tip with hunch. But what I am doing, I would like to design this T-tip with hunch. Just I put, if you look, we have some coordinate. The coordinate is, if you see, the horizontal is X and the vertical is Y. We have, we have a number, node number. We just put some value here. Just I would like to, from start, 0.2 and the coordinate 3 is 0.35. Also, we have to an horizontal 1.5. I move to the second part 0.4 from to here. Also, I put 3 meter value. Next, I jump to the 6. The 6 should 2.5 here. Also, the height should 3. Sorry, here's some 0, but the 5, sorry, the 5, also it will be 2.5, 2.5, the height should be 3, 3.10. Also, we have some coordinate here, 3.4. I move to 7, it's the 0, 1, 1, so 3 meter, 3 meter here, and 3 meter and 9 coordinate, and 12 coordinate, we put some 5 meter, 2.8 and the Z coordinate, backfilling. If we have -100 here, the wall should be 100 meter. Just I click OK. Now my geometry is defined. The second thing I do, just I move to the ground property. There are three approach we have: approach 1, approach 2, approach 3. But here in this case, according to Eurocode, we use the approach 2. Also, we have several type of soil. You have rock, we have medium soil, we have cohesionless soil. We have a cohesive soil, but in this my training, I would like to have a cohesionless soil. I selected this. Go more. I put some friction slope 35. Okay. Okay. Now this is finished. Just I go to my backfilling. I keep it. I can write something here, but in this case, I'm nothing doing with it. I'll just keep it like that. If you have a passive pressure, you just active here and put the degree of slope. But I don't have, I have very less passive pressure. The next is the load is the self-weight of the wall, and this is the feeling, the weight of feeling. We can add some tearing load. It's about 5 kilonewton, and we have some horizontal 2 kilonewton. We have some moment 25. Now everything is defined here. The last thing I can do, just I go to the settlement again. I put the 50 here and the thickness 1 meter. I put the next layer 3 meter. So the layer 5 meter. I go to the more. I put some here 150 kilonewton. Modify 200 kilonewton. The capacity also 180. Modify. Now everything is defined. I would like to run my analyze. Analyze is run. I go to check my result. You get the several result. You get result with serviceability limited state, ultimate limited state. You can check here. I check pressure. You can see the utilization is okay. We have it's okay. Utilization 6.76. It's fine, and you can see the full force charge. It's also okay, and we can check the sliding also okay. We have a several result here for ultimate limited state also. You can see all result is available here. But now I'd like to check the design. Now if you'll see the design case, if you see the rebar is now available here with the concrete cover, and the rebar is available here. You can see the concrete cover, and you can see the dia, and you can see Avistan. Also, for more result, you can go here. You can see river uh, for Thai bottom. In the top we have 0, in the bottom we have a requirement required area is the 571. Also you can see for wall, you can see here for right side, and also you can see for head, and you can see the surfaceability limit state if you want to check the here stress or some stress shear, and you can check it, and you can check the crack width also here in the surfaceability limit state. Now it's finished. Just the last thing we can check the settlement, and we go to result and check our settlement. If you see the settlement, our settlement is also okay, 2.57, and we have a 50. We put this 50 acceptable. Settlement is 50. We have 1.4 is okay. Now everything is looking fine. We can check the design. That's our design, and we can go next page and can see all of the result. We can print it. In my desktop. As you look, everything is come here. The river also we have a different value for river here and with the result. I go to my command. Again I go to my geometry, come back to the original design. Thank you for watching my video. I hope see you in the next episode. Have a nice night. Bye.